Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for places on the map on the Wikipedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the places button down below, which is the second option. Here you can find a map, so feel free to zoom out or zoom in and just tap on the relevant area that you are interested in. If you have found it, you can either save it to your reading list, share it, or start reading it by tapping on the read button, so you will be directed to the article itself about that country or other place that you have searched on the map. If you go back, you can see that you have the chance to type in the name of that place that you are looking for, and then you will be directed to that place on the map. You can check it out, zoom in and out. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.